Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix battery drain issue after iOS 17 update. If you run into iOS 17 battery life problem on your iPhone, there are some steps you take before contacting customer service. Some battery drain issues might be hardware related, but many others are related to Apple new operating system. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix this training issue. Our step number one is enable low power mode. Low power mode can improve iOS 17 battery life by reducing power consumption. For enabling it, simply you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on battery. Now you can see your option low power mode. If it disabled, simply enable it. After doing this, find out which apps are draining unusual battery. If you suspected that certain apps are causing excessive battery drain on your iPhone iOS 17 device, follow these steps to identify and manage them. First of all, if you notice any app that have consumed a significant amount of battery compared to unusual, they may be causing the issue. Then simply delete them or uninstall them for your safety. Now, step number three is restart all settings. If you find that your apps are not that cause of a battery drain issue on your iOS 17 device, you can try resetting all settings to resolve any potential software conflict. For doing this, simply you have to go to your general, then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. If it still doesn't work, then you have to update all apps. If you're experiencing rapid battery draining on your iPhone device again and again, outdated app could be the culprit. Updating all your app to their latest version can help optimize performance and improve iOS 17 battery health and life. And then our last step is restart your iPhone. If you start noticing abnormal drain after installing iOS 17 on your iPhone, we recommended you to restarting your iPhone. A quick reboot can have a tremendous impact on your device performance. For restarting your iPhone, simply you have to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general, again scroll down, now tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.